How to connect Shopify to Etsy. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. In this video, I'm going to be quickly walking you through on how you can connect your Shopify to your Etsy. So let's get started. Now to start things off, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your Shopify, and over here, what you're going to be doing is you're going to come to Add Apps. Add Apps, you're going to click on this and you're going to go to Shopify App Store. And once you come to Shopify App Store, you're going to wait for things to load up. Now, as things are loaded up, it's going to bring you here where you're going to go ahead and search this app. Okay, you're going to write CED Commerce. Now, CED Commerce is an application that connects your Shopify to Etsy. And as you can see, it's a CED Commerce Etsy integration. We're going to click on that and we're going to click on install. Now there's a free plan available, so you don't need to, put in any money or anything. Just go ahead and install this. Obviously make sure that you have an Etsy shop set it up as well, so your request can be granted. So once we're over here, simply click on install. Once you click on install, you're going to wait for things to load in. And as things are loaded in, what's going to be happening is that everything that you are doing is going to be authorized, and it's going to be asking your password for your Etsy, and it's going to go through the account generation, authorization, and integration. So we're just going to wait for things to load up, and it brings us here to the CED Commerce Marketplace. So I'm going to agree with the terms, and I'm going to click on Connect with Etsy, and as you can see, it takes us to the validation of our Etsy store. Now what you're simply going to be doing is you're going to sign in with the profile that you have over here. Okay, so as you can see, I have this whole profile. Okay, I have my email and all, and I'm simply going to go ahead and add this email over here, and then I'm going to add my password, and what's going to happen from there is we're going to get straight into Etsy. So once you add your details, it's going to bring you here. It says an application would like to connect to your account. So you're going to simply go ahead and click on grant access. And once we click on grant access, it's going to authorize the application and we are going to be good to go. So let me just quickly wait for things to load in. And that is basically it. It authorizes the application, and that will connect your Shopify with your Etsy through CED Commerce. And you're obviously going to make sure to go ahead and activate it for free, go through the free plan, and your marketplaces are now integrated, and now you can start importing your products if you want to. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.